Nasikes Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade pancakes in a very simple way. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to click the notification button so that you get informed every time I post a new content. The ingredients that I'm going to use are 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of baking flour, a 1/2 cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil, and vanilla essence, though it's optional. You don't have to use it. Let's get to the next step. So I'm going to add my egg on this dish. In the dish, then I add sugar, then I add milk, then I add cooking oil, then I add vanilla essence, and then I'm going to mix everything together until it becomes very, very soft. After mixing everything together, you can see the consistency is okay. I'm going to add the baking flour bit by bit as I mix. I'll add the remaining baking flour and continue mixing. You can see the consistency after mixing everything together. Let's get to the next step. In this stage, ensure that you spread your cooking oil in your cooking pot, and also ensure that your heat is very low. I'll pour the butter in my cooking pot. You can see the way it's cooking and it's rising. So you give it time so that it cooks inside nicely. So at this stage, I'm going to turn. You can see how nicely it has cooked. After 2 to 3 minutes, our pancake is ready. You can see how lovely it looks. I'm going to serve. Guys, here are our pancakes. You can see the way they look. They are very yummy. They are very delicious and they are very spongy. You should try them out and let me know how they'll turn out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.